Writing style casual hey everyone. Today I'm diving into the thrilling world of basketball, a sport that captures the excitement and energy like no other. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, stick around as I break down the essentials of mastering this dynamic game. First things first, basketball is all about teamwork. Played on a rectangular court, the game pits two teams against each other, each aiming to score by shooting a basketball through the opponent's hoop. Sounds simple, right? But there's a twist. The hoop is mounted a whopping 10 feet high. Now, scoring can come in different flavors. A regular shot inside the arc scores you 2 points, but if you're feeling bold and shoot from behind the three-point line, bam, you've got yourself 3 points. And let's not forget those pressure-packed free throws, worth 1 point each, usually awarded after a foul. But basketball isn't just about shooting. It's also about defense. Stealing the ball, blocking shots, and snagging rebounds are just as crucial as sinking baskets. You've got to be quick on your feet and sharp in your strategy. And speaking of strategy, did you know that basketball can be played almost anywhere? From school gyms to grand arenas, all you need is a ball and a hoop, making it accessible to virtually everyone. That's probably why it's so popular globally. Now, for those looking to take their game to the next level, the NBA G League, formerly known as the D League, is the official minor league where talent meets opportunity. It's a fantastic platform for players to hone their skills, with 31 teams competing as of the latest season. So whether you're playing a casual pickup game or aiming for professional heights, basketball offers something for everyone. Remember, it's not just about physical skills, but also understanding the game's strategy and rhythm. That's it for today. Grab a ball, hit the court, and start practicing. Who knows? With dedication and hard work, you might just find yourself playing in the big leagues. Keep pushing your limits and most importantly, have fun. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time.